Please see here, guys. Fine. Most of the people are here. Starting with the weightage of different topics. So you can see that the nomenclature part, right, and preparation are almost equivalent, है ना? That has been asked. The 8.3, that is physical properties, there has been no questions from here, but still physical properties, it is not a big deal. We have been learning about the physical properties from the first chapter itself, and almost everything is similar, है ना? And then we have 8.4, that is the chemical properties of aldehyde and ketones, from where we are having the maximum number of questions. 8.4. Then 8.5 is the uses of aldehyde and ketones. You can see there is 0 questions from here. 8.6 is nomenclature of carboxylic group. And then we have method of preparation of carboxylic acid. These are not having many questions. 8.9 is a major topic. Here we are having most of the questions from the carboxylic acid topic. Okay, so there are two major topics here that you have to revise and redo questions from these topics, which is chemical reactions of aldehyde and ketones and chemical reactions of carboxylic acid. In carboxylic acid, you will see that many of the questions are from the acidic strength. Okay, the acidic nature of carboxylic acid. So acidic strength se bahut sare sawal honge. So you'll have to keep an eye on acidic strength also. Now, but since we are going to start from the start, so we'll start from the IUPAC nomenclature itself. Now, so yeah, we have been doing IUPAC nomenclature for the previous chapters also. So you can start, I think. Let me see if there is any. No, there is no MCQ. There's also very less number of questions. So they're asking, write the structure of 2-methyl butane al, 3-methyl pentanal. Then they're asking to write the IUPAC name of this compound, then this ketone compound, and then we are having this chloropentane 2-1. Then you have to write the IUPAC name of this compound. Okay. So I hope you guys will not take much time. Let me see. How many questions? 6 questions are there. And then here we have 7 questions. Actually, so you do the first question, then you do the third, fourth question, then you do the sixth question, and from here, you draw the structures. ना ये दोनों का structure draw कर लीजिए है ना. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. I think 5 minutes or 6 minutes for 5 questions should be enough. When you have to draw the structures, it is not going to take much time. When you have to write the name, it can take a bit of time. So I'll give you guys 6 minutes for this. And send the answers on my WhatsApp. Send the answers on my WhatsApp. नो, कीटोन को प्रायोरिटी दी जाती है, कीटोन को प्रायोरिटी दी जाती है। गाइस 2 more minutes। Shahid is done। First one, one, two. Yeah, that is correct. Third one, uh, third one is not right, Shahid. देखिए जरा, look at the number of carbon atoms. Fourth, you are not able to name. Okay. Sixth, yeah, sixth is correct. Seventh is also correct. And then we have 4-methyl pent 3 into on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms. Pent, 5 carbon atoms. Then 2 on. No, the second one, the number of hydrogens, you have done some mistakes in the number of hydrogens. Otherwise, 3 in to 3, and then you have 4-methyl. Yeah, other things are fine. Just look at the number of carbon for the carbonyl carbon. Okay. And this is the reason why I really like the bond line structure, in that you don't have to think about the number of hydrogens. Actually, I'm still waiting. 1 more minute, guys. Theorem is also done. How you guys are doing mistake in the third one, guys? तीसरा वाला इतना आसान है, आप लोग मिस्टेक कैसे कर रहे हैं? 2-methyl butanol iram, that is correct. The second one, sorry, the third one, that is CH3 CH2 CHO, that is not right, that's wrong. Fourth one, it is 4 one is fine. Mm, yeah, that is correct. 1, 2, 3, yeah, fine, that's correct. The seventh one, sixth आपने लिया है, six is yeah, sixth is also correct, very good. Seventh is also fine, and seventh में second one, 1, 2, 3, yeah, that's correct. चलिए, please send your answers quickly, whatever you have done till now. Parker has sent. No, Parker, the first one is not right. Second one is fine. Third one, yeah, that is fine, but उसमें if you, it would be better if you wrote the position for carbonyl, that is ketonic group. Fourth, अच्छा, 1, 2, 3, 4, जो यहाँ पे सिक्स्थ वाला है ना, that is not right, जिसमें आपने benzaldehyde लिखा है, and then you have written the structures are fine, ठीक है, names of structure is fine. Rajita, you have done a few. Guys, what about others? Please send me whatever you have done. Please send me whatever you have done. No, number of carbon atoms, count the number of carbon atoms, Rajita, for the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms you have given. Then you have ethanol. No, again, ethanol is not right. Na? Yeah, 3 carbon atom to propanol hoga na? Benzene 1, 2, no, that's not right. Seventh is fine, and then Yeah, seventh, first and second questions are fine. Mariam, 1 2 3 4 CS3 प्रोपेनल वन। ओके फाइन, चलिए। चलो तो आपने किया है। पी मिथाइल बेंजल्डिहाइड, दैट इज ट्रू, करेक्ट, फाइन। चलिए, लेट मी नेम दीज। सी हियर गाइस, for the first one, write the structure of 2-methyl butanol. So for butanol, that means you have 4 carbon atoms, 1 2 3 4 carbon atoms. In the second carbon, it is telling me, first of all, you will, I mean, write the CHO part, no? This is CHO, 4 carbon atoms, and then you write CH3 like this. Okay. If you want to draw the carbon-carbon thing, then you'll draw like this: carbon, 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 4 carbons, and then you're seeing aldehyde. Aldehyde means this will be CHO. Then it is saying 2-methyl. 2-methyl, that means second carbon will be having CH3. And after that, you add here CH3, and this will be having 2 hydrogens. You can add like this. Okay? So, first of all, you will draw the carbons only. After that, you start adding the functional group and everything. So, al means you should include the carbon numbers. Okay? Then the third one is 3 carbon atoms. So, it will be propanol. Then you have fourth one. So this fourth one, you'll start the numbering from here because ketonic, this is the functional group 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 5 carbon atoms, and then you have hydroxy group here. So it will be 4 hydroxy pentane 2-one. You can also write only on pentanone. That's also fine because when you have ketone can only be present in the second carbon atom. It cannot be present in the first carbon atom. Sixth one में है आपके पास, we have here benzaldehyde, और इसमें फिर OH है, and OH is in the ortho position, so you can write it O hydroxy benzaldehyde, or you can write 2 hydroxy benzaldehyde. ठीक है? Next we have the seventh, first one, p methyl benzaldehyde. So we have benzaldehyde first of all, that is CHO, and methyl group, that is CH3 here. Then you have second one, which is 4-methyl pent 3-in-2-on. So for pent, we will have 5 carbon atoms like this. It's saying 2-on. So first of all, you will add the functional group, that is on. C double bond O. Then this first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, this one. 3 में double bond है, right? So it will be like this. And then you have 4-methyl. This is the third carbon, this is the fourth carbon. Fourth carbon will be having CS3. Now, if you want to write the complete structure type of thing, then you will write first of all 5 carbon atoms. 1 2 3 4 5. Second carbon atom is having double bond O, you will put the double bond O. Okay. Now it is saying third carbon is having double bond. So 1 2 3. This third carbon is having double bond like this. So you will have double bond here. Then the fourth carbon atom, it is having methyl group. Methyl is CH3. After that, you will add the hydrogen. So this carbon atom, it is having single bond, so it needs 3 hydrogen. This carbon atom, it is having single bond, that means it needs 3 hydrogen. And this carbon atom is already having 4 bonds. This also having 4 bonds. This is not having, so you will write 1 hydrogen here. Okay, so this is the way if you want to do the whole structure. Bond line, still I would prefer bond line because bond line is quite easy if you have practiced a lot. 2 methyl. Second number, ये कौन सा आपने 2 methyl butyl first number 3 में, नहीं तो हमने तो नहीं बोला था सेकंड वाला करने के लिए. फर्स्ट वन इज 1 2 3. या फर्स्ट वन इज करेक्ट, प्रोपेनल इज करेक्ट. चलिए, moving on. So this is all about the IUPAC nomenclature that has been asked. Then we have the method of preparation. So you have certain 1 marks question. पहले MCQs देख लेते हैं ना. MCQs are recent phenomena. MCQ में assertion reason है भाई, काफी assertion reason है. चलिए, but these are chemical reactions. method of preparation से नहीं लगता है. चलिए चलिए, ठीक है, फाइन. Do the first one, benzene diacetyl. This both these questions are same. 10th one देखते हैं कितने लोग कर पाते हैं. Benzoyl chloride. Then you have ETARD reaction. ETARD reaction, Stephen reaction. These are name reactions. You should remember. Write the product. 14th वाला कर लीजिए आप. चलिए इतना कीजिए कम से कम, ठीक है ना. ETARD reaction, Stephen reaction छोड़ दीजिए. And do these 8, 10 and 14. ये तीनों कीजिए आपको. I'm going to give you again 5 minutes for this. ठीक है. And I will be just back. और में यहाँ पे ना दोनों कीजिएगा ना, ऐसा नहीं कि अच्छा ये दोनों सेम ही सवाल है और में. वो तो दीज क्वेश्चंस आर सेम ओनली ना. ये सेम ही सवाल है. ठीक है, तो इसमें एक और हम बस ये कर लेते हैं, ऐड कर लेते हैं आपका 11th वाला है ना. इसमें से यू हैव टू डू एनी वन ऑफ दीज. आई विल बी जस्ट बैक, आई नीड टू ड्रिंक सम वाटर. Two more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. Okay. 1 more minute. Acha. Those who are not able to do any of these questions, please raise your hand. Those who have not been able to do any of these questions, please raise your hand. Acha. ठीक है. Most of the people have been able to do the questions. Okay. Guys, please send your answers. Please just send the answer. Oh, no. Oh, wait a second. No, that's not right, Shahil. Then, I mean, the 10th one is not right. 14th, the 14th one is fine. Of Parker. First one is fine, Parker. Second one आपने नहीं किया है. उसका benzoyl chloride का आपने किया है. Yeah, that's fine. Mariam, looking at your answers. Benzoyl chloride, the structure of benzoyl chloride is not right. The structure of benzoyl chloride is not right. Iram, no, the eighth one is not right. बाकी फिर ठीक है. तारीफ, फर्स्ट इज फाइन, उसके बाद सही नहीं है, आई थिंक. नहीं 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 नहीं, इट्स फाइन, इट्स फाइन. 10th one is also fine. Deborah, first one is fine. COCH2, COCH नहीं, CH3O, okay. Approximately fine. चलिए. So the first, that is the eighth question. This is regarding, this is Friedel-Crafts acylation, CH3COCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or benzene. So you have benzene like this, plus CH3 C double bond O Cl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. In place of chlorine, आपको benzene add कर देना बस. CH3 C double bond O, and then you'll have the benzene ring. ठीक है, this is acetophenone. Fine. Now, as you can see here, also it's the same thing, na? Benzene to acetophenone. How will you convert? So this is the reaction. चलिए. Moving on to the 10th one, C6H5, C6H5, CH2, whole twice, cadmium, and then we have acyl chloride. We have 2 moles of CH3, COCl. Now from here again the chlorine will be removed or CH3CO will be attached to this particular alkyl group. यहाँ पे आपके पास क्या है? C6H5, CH2. This will be bonded with C double bond O and further bonded with CH3. So we'll get a ketone. 11th one, benzoyl chloride. ठीक है. So what is benzoyl chloride? Benzoyl chloride में oil halide क्या होता है? It is acyl halide वाला चीज ना, benzoyl chloride. So you'll have C double bond O, and then you'll have Cl in the presence of H2 and PDBaSO4. You will get aldehyde CHO. चलिए, which reaction is this? Tell me guys in the chat. This is a name reaction. What name reaction is this? Tell me guys in the chat. This is a name reaction. नहीं याद किसी को? नहीं याद किसी को? याद है किसी को? Rosenmund. Yes, very good. This is Rosenmund reduction. Then we have the ETARD reaction. ETARD भी हम दिखा देते हैं आप लोगों को. 12th one is ETARD. ETARD is when you are going to have like toluene. Toluene is benzene ring with a CH3 group, and you need to react this with chromyl chloride. What is chromyl chloride? It is CrO2Cl2 in the first step. In the second step, you need to add H plus in the presence of water, and you will get benzaldehyde, CHO. Then the 13th one is Stephen's reduction. Now in Stephen's reduction, you need RCN, जो कि हमारे पास है यहाँ पे ना, RCN, which is first of all reacted with SnCl2. In the second step, SnCl2 के साथ HCl भी रहता है. The second step, H plus in the presence of water. This gives you RCHO. ठीक है? With the same number of carbon atom, the number of carbon atom does not change. Instead of RCN, you can also show some examples. RCN, the same reagents, it will give you 1 to 3 carbon atoms and CHO. Then you have the 14th reaction. 14th में दो parts हैं आपके पास. The first one. पहले आपके पास क्या? This is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms and CN with a double bond here in the presence of Dibal H and H2O. This is going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom as it is, and then you'll have CHO here. The first one. Second one, we same cheese, hai na? Don't have to do anything else. And then you have, how do you convert ethyne to ethanol? 15th one. You have CH, triple bond CH, and you have to convert it to ethanol. That is CH3CHO. If you guys, anyone remembers how to do this? Raise your hand. Anyone remembers how to do this? Ethyne to ethanol. Yes, Shahid, correct. Very, very good. That's correct. You have to put here. This is addition reaction. Water add करना आपको in the presence of Hg2 plus mercuric sulfate and H2SO4. ठीक है? H plus or Hg2 plus के presence में you have to do this reaction. So if you guys don't remember, see what happens. You have CH, triple bond CH, water molecules add here. So let me suppose you have hydrogen and then OH. Since it is a symmetrical alkyne, hydrogen can be added on one of the carbons and OH on the other carbon. Okay. So what will happen? The pi bond will break and you will get CH2 doubly bonded with carbon, which is having one hydrogen, and it is further bonded with OH. Now this is a enol form because this carbon atom, it is having a double bond as well as the OH. Now what happens? This hydrogen gets a very delta positive charge. This pi bond attacks here and this hydrogen leaves the electron density like this. And this carbon atom, it gets the hydrogen, making it CH3. This carbon atom, which was singly bonded, it gets a double bond oxygen, and it was having already an hydrogen. ठीक है? तो इसके पास क्या हो जाएगा? This is ethanol. 2 carbon atoms of aldehyde. Now, moving on to some other questions. Dibal-H, not Dibal-H. Dibal-H is not used here. Okay. After that, we have almost same things, but इसमें से I think one reaction is new. So 16th वाला देख लीजिएगा. ठीक है, 16th में जो सेकेंड वाला रिएक्शन है, फर्स्ट इज तो सेम, कुछ फर्क नहीं है. We have 2 carbon atoms and then you have OH in the presence of CrO3. This is chromic anhydride. You don't have any hydrogen, any water molecules here. So this is alcohol. Alcohol will turn into aldehyde. ठीक है? So you'll have CH3, CHO like this. You have already seen Stephen's and Etard reaction. इसमें आपके पास एक जो नेम रिएक्शन नहीं आया है, दैट इज गैटरमैन कोच रिएक्शन. तो उसको भी हम थोड़ा रिवाइज करा देते हैं. गैटरमैन स्टार्ट्स विद गैटर टाइप लुकिंग बेंजीन रिंग. गैटरमैन कोच is going to be having CO carbon monoxide and you have HCl. This occurs in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and it gives you benzaldehyde. This is Gattermann Koch reaction. CHO. Let us look at the nomenclature of carboxylic acids. Try this one. Okay, so I have got answers D, A, B, B, A, B, all the options we have got. Chaliye, let us see. So first of all, you will identify the functional group. So the functional group is COOH, that is oic acid. Then we will look at the unsaturation. There is no unsaturation, so that is going to be AN. Then you need to look at the parent. Now the parent should include the functional group carbon also, you know? So you should start from here. Then where you will go? You will go up. Now, then you will ask yourself when you are in like wherever branching is starting, you'll ask where is more number of carbon atoms. So obviously more number of carbon atoms is on the right side. Now this is my parent chain. The parent chain is having how many carbon atoms? We are having 1, 2, 3, and 4 carbon atoms. So for 4 carbon atoms, we have bute. Now, as you can see, bute आपके पास butanoic acid यहीं पे आ रहा है, and then substituent में आपके पास you have one CH3 and another CH3. So it is going to be 2 methyl groups, 2 CH3 groups. So it is dimethyl. Now both the methyl groups are in the second position, so it will be 2, 2 dimethyl. So the answer is going to be 2, 2 dimethyl buteanoic acid. That's the correct option, A1. इसमें शाहिद is correct, Iram is correct, Rajita is correct. बाकी लोग कार्बोक्सिल वार्बोक्सिल आप लोगों ने लिखा हुआ है, ऐसे कार्बोक्सिल कहाँ आप लोगों ने पढ़ा? 2 carboxyl 2 methyl bute, no, not right, not right. Functional group is going to be oic acid, ना? Functional group is going to be oic acid. अच्छा, एक चीज हम ना आप लोगों को बता दे रहे हैं, आप मतलब बेवकूफी ऐसे मत करके आइएगा। जैसे ना एक स्टूडेंट था, उसने क्या लिखा था, व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन बेंजीन इज ट्रीटेड विद CH3 ओ CH3 COCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. उसने लिख दिया what happens, so he wrote when benzene is treated with CH3 COCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, chemical reaction takes place and he was expecting marks with this. ठीक है, तो प्लीज इस तरह के आंसर्स आप लोग प्लीज मत लिख के आइएगा। अगर नहीं आ रहा आपको तो फिर छोड़, मतलब इसको इसमें तो हम जरूर बोलेंगे कि ऐसे अगर आपके पास दिमाग में आ रहा है ना कि ऐसे हम चीजें लिख देते हैं, तो उससे अच्छा है कि छोड़ दीजिए। मतलब बेकार जो चेक कर रहा है उसका और भी मूड ऑफ होगा कि कैसा बच्चा भाई केमिकल रिएक्शन टेक प्लेस लिख रहा है ना? एंड यू कैन आर्ग्यू ऑल्सो कि आंसर तो सही है, आंसर तो सही है ना, कि आंसर गलत है? टेल मी गाइस, आंसर सही है या गलत है? अरे कोई जवाब ही नहीं दे रहा। When benzene is treated with CH3OCl, that is acyl chloride, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, then chemical reaction takes place, right? Yes or no? Correct. But please remember, not, I mean, even if the answer is correct written around, it is correct, but it is not the answer that was needed. जो आंसर चाहिए था वो नहीं है ये, है ना? तो ये ध्यान रखिएगा, देयर इज मतलब वो कुछ आंसर्स चाहिए रहते हैं, वो आंसर्स आपके कॉपी में लिखा रहना चाहिए, इवन दो योर आंसर मे बी करेक्ट बट यू विल नॉट गेट मार्क्स बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट द आंसर व्हिच वाज एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम यू, है ना? चलिए मूविंग ऑन। आई होप आप लोग के दिमाग में ऐसा खुराफाती आंसर नहीं आता है। एंड यू विल सी हियर वन मोर नेम। नाउ दिस आई विल डू। ठीक है। We have here functional group, that is oic acid, that has the highest priority. Then you have unsaturation, which is AN because there is no double or triple bond. Then you have the parent. Parent should include the carbon which is having the carboxylic acid group. So this is this carbon, this carbon, this carbon, the straight chain carbon. 4 carbon atoms we are having. It is going to be bute. Then we have one thing left, that is OH, which is hydroxy. Okay, this is the substituent, hydroxy. If you number the carbon atoms, you start with 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is 3 hydroxy butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. चलिए, सो द मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन में इतने ही सवाल थे, है ना। अब आपका जो नेक्स्ट क्लास होगा दैट विल बी ऑन केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज। ठीक है। अब सी आई कैन सी टुडे दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, आयशा यू हैव जस्ट ज्वाइंड। यस आयशा। आयशा लेफ्ट ऑल्सो। सो अब इसमें कुछ ज्यादा सवाल थे ही नहीं, तो ज्यादा आपको हम प्रैक्टिस करा के क्या ही करें, है ना। बट प्लीज आप लोग कुछ मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन वगैरह की चीजें जो है ना, उनको आप लोग देख लीजिएगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक है ओजोनोलिसिस। ठीक है। ओजोनोलिसिस। ओजोनोलिसिस। उसके बाद है आपके पास हाइड्रेशन ऑफ एल्काइन। ठीक है। नाउ दीज आर दी टॉपिक्स विच आर गोइंग टू बी इम्पोर्टेंट। ठीक है, दीज आर गोइंग टू बी इम्पोर्टेंट। बाकी आपके पास लाइक द अदर नेम रिएक्शंस वगैरह है, उनको तो आप देखिएगा ही। अच्छा हाँ, एक और चीज आपने देखा कि कैडमियम वाले से सवाल आए हैं, है ना। डाइअल्काइल कैडमियम का जो मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन फॉर द कीटोन्स है, उससे आपके पास सवाल आए हुए हैं। ठीक है। सो रिवाइज दीज टॉपिक्स, और कल आप लोग आइएगा, अभी हम जल्दी छोड़ दे रहे हैं आप लोगों को। टुमारो यू गाइस विल कम and you will read and you will complete chemical properties of aldehyde and ketones. Tomorrow, why tomorrow is a holiday? कल छुट्टी है क्या? आप लोगों को मिला क्या कुछ? Did you get message?
यस सर।
हैं? हमको तो छुट्टी नहीं मिली। Let me ask. तो छुट्टी नहीं, 25 को भी छुट्टी दी। हाँ, तो फिर आप लोग अगले क्लास के लिए प्रॉपर्टीज, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन्स एंड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, ठीक है, ये दोनों ही करके आइएगा। फिर हम लोग मंडे को करेंगे बस। ठीक है। मंडे। मंडे न्यू ईयर, अच्छा न्यू ईयर ईव का मिलता है ना छुट्टी आप लोग। हाँ, छुट्टी छुट्टी, आई ऑल्सो गॉट इट, आई ऑल्सो गॉट इट। ठीक है, तो मंडे हम लोग क्लास करेंगे। हम मंडे जो क्लास होगी किसकी होगी? केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एल्डिहाइड, कीटोन्स एंड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड। ठीक है। मतलब कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड कंप्लीट नहीं, एमओपी और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी सारा। ठीक है, तो कल छुट्टी है तो आप लोग फिर पढ़िए आराम से। आज तो फिर बहुत शॉर्ट क्लास हो गई। ठीक है। तो ऑन एवरीथिंग, सारी चीजें आप लोग पढ़ लीजिएगा। केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन्स, मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन, फिजिकल